What is up, YouTube? Another deployment day. Back over here with the people, with the crew. Today is beer day on the ship. As you see here, we're still wearing the masks. COVID cruise 2020 is still a thing, but we're gonna go drink. So up to the flight deck we go. We are now headed to the flight deck after 30 minutes of waiting. We're going, here we go. Let's go. Let's go eat. On the way to the flight deck. Look at that. Woo! Still beaches up here. Up in the flight deck. Some good food. Drink good beer. Here we go. Look at that. Squad's behind me over here.
Why am I wearing this? I don't even have my jersey under this shit.
Yeah. All the planes are up here. The beer day barbecue is like half that shit over there. Gonna have a good time today. If they did something like this in like 4th of July, but they did not, so it's today. I want to say congratulations for re-enlisting. This man re-enlisted his life for 30 more years.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
10 more years.
10 more years, baby. Let's do this shit. Yeah. But we out here in Still Beach. A whole bunch of fucking people. Basketball's over there. Food over here. And I'm hungry. Very, very hungry. Food line over here. Burgers and hot dogs. Damn. Got my food, got a brisket, got a burger. What you got? Woo! Cheese! There you go. Alright, so we skipped the basketball. We're gonna go there later. But now we're gonna get in line for beer. That's it. Where's the line for beer? Here. Boom. Line for beer, right there. We got the beers. Beers on deck.
You got the guys.
Got the guys.
I'm a guy.
Got the lady. With the beers on deck. Here we go. Beach day, beer day. That's how you do it. That's how we do it. We're gonna go we're gonna watch the basketball game next.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Re-enlistment. Re-enlistment. We got the soccer game going on over here. We got soccer. Whoa, oh shit, here we go. Football going up. Alright, so this next game, CMC, Command Master Chief, he's in it. He's playing right now. It's crazy, because you normally don't see CMCs play. good basketball game. Got some cookies. I'm gonna eat, walk around. Homeboy over here, Big Kev. You know what I'm saying? Devoted. Devoted though? Devoted?
Devoted.
You know what I'm saying? Follow him. He got Stance Boy's cars, you know what I'm saying? Stance Boy. That's what he got. Damn, that's not beer. That's not beer.
Yeah, I'm on watch right
That's
now.
root beer.
I'm watching now,
All these chickens. Ah, chickens. Chickens. All right, now we are done. We are done with the Steel Beach. Headed back down. Thank y'all for watching. Deuces. Catch you to the next one.